So this question, I start off, of course, with the blurb above the answer choices, as I always do. It says, which choice best states the main idea of the text? I call these questions big picture questions because, again, we're looking at the main idea. So we're not focusing on any particular part of the passage. So now that I know I'm looking for the main idea, I'm going to go up to the passage and read the whole thing. Again, thinking about, what is the main idea? So here's the passage. Conservationists worldwide are working to protect ecosystems from habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. And in many cases, initiatives that rely on natural features or processes can help address such challenges. In response to a rapidly dwindling population of blueback salmon, the Quinault Indian Nation, a tribe in Washington state, partnered with the conservation organization Wild Salmon Center to restore naturally occurring logjams in the Quinault River. The logjams create shady pools where the blueback salmon can rest and spawn, thus promoting blueback population recovery. Okay, so basically, what is the main idea of the text? So here comes my king of the hill. So let's try out choice A. A partnership between the Quinault Indian Nation and Wild Salmon Center shows the importance of collaborative approaches to preserving biodiversity. All right, so that is definitely mentioned. They talked about this partnership here. I don't think that's the main idea, but as of right now, it's the best answer because it's the only one I've looked at. Choice B, nature-based approaches can be effective ways to achieve conservation goals. It's a bit more general. I like it. In fact, I think I like it better than A because it's not as specific. I don't think that the whole point of everything I just read was all about the collaboration. I think more so the entire point was that nature-based approaches can be effective ways to achieve conservation goals. So for that reason, I'm saying B is better than A. Again, I'm playing King of the Hill is how you play it. You allow two answer choices to compete at a time. So now B versus C. C, as indicated by a recent project, log jams help the blueback salmon thrive and reproduce. Again, so that is not the main idea at all. That's not the main idea of the entire passage. So C loses, B is the winner. And choice D, scientists now realize that nature-based conservation methods offer better long-term solutions to environmental issues than methods that are not nature-based do. So there's some validity to this somewhat, but is that the main idea? Are there any things here that are not necessarily supported by the passage? Solutions to environmental issues and methods that are not nature-based do. I'm not sure there's anything here that talks about things that are not nature-based. So I'm not liking this at all. So that's why I'm choosing choice B here. There's nothing about choice B that causes me to pause in terms of support from the passage. Whereas in choice D, there are some elements there that cause me to wonder if it is fully supported by the passage. And that's why choice B is the best answer out of the options here.